Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I'll be reading you a poem called The Power of Simplicity from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. The Power of Simplicity. Simplicity is the key to be truly happy and fulfilled. Overcomplicating life never brings about true happiness. Sometimes all you need is a daily reminder of your power and magnificence to brighten your day. Other times all you need is a daily reminder every day and you changed your life. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of 3 things you are grateful for. So if you are able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful for the walls around me. I am grateful for the beautiful backyard I have. I am very grateful for all the dishes I get to eat from. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.